Motion can be described as where the center of gravity either travels from one point to another point. We call that linear motion. And where the center of gravity rotates around a fixed point, we call that rotational motion. There are two types of linear motion. We call these rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. When the linear motion and the rotational motion are combined, we call that a general motion. There are three types of human movement: sagittal, frontal, and transverse. Forward and backward movements occur on the sagittal plane. Lateral movements occur on the frontal plane. And rotational movements occur on the transverse plane. There are three types of human movement axes: longitudinal, anterior-posterior axis, and the medial-lateral axis. Knee flexion and extension are movements that occur on the sagittal plane on the longitudinal axis. Lumbar spine lateral flexion is movement that occurs on the frontal plane and on the longitudinal axis. The shoulder joint adduction and abduction and hip medial lateral rotation are movements that occur on the transverse plane. Shoulder joint adduction, shoulder girdle protraction and retraction are movements that occur on the sagittal plane and on the anterior-posterior axis. The human body can be visualized as a system of levers that move in directions along planes and axes of movement. These levers rotate as a result of external forces by the contraction of muscles in one direction, with internal restriction from opposing forces around the structure of the skeleton. The combined action between the force and resistance is known as the tensional integrity or the tensegrity.